Top health tech companies to watch in 2022. Number 1. Johnson & Johnson. The company has three main directions for the development of its products. They include consumer health, medtech, and pharmaceutical products. Johnson & Johnson uses AI and machine learning for drug discovery and development. AI and machine learning drive high-value biological insights and targets, reduce cycle time, accelerate clinical trial operations, enhance diversity, and many other operations. Number 2. Danaher Corporation. Danaher Corporation publishes annual reports and sustainability updates that share information on the company's functioning, mission, and vision. Its most important technological projects are integrated DNA technologies and VideoJet. Integrated DNA technology products are implemented in cancer and infectious diseases diagnostic tests. Integrated DNA technology also helps develop crop varieties that will be able to withstand droughts, pest outbreaks, and diseases. Some of the projects implementing IDT products also research the role of bacteria in limiting greenhouse gases and consequently sustaining biodiversity in groundwater. Number 3. Boston Scientific. Boston Scientific is well known for its Taxus stent, which is a drug-eluting stent used for opening clogged arteries. A great part of Boston Scientific's website is its page for investors, where the company publishes all of its financial reports, updates its stock prices, and arranges various events. Potential or current investors can monitor the fluctuation in stock prices on the webpage. Number 4. Athelas. Athelas is a fast-growing health tech company that aims to create healthcare products that will change people's lives. The company's products include Athelas One, blood pressure cuff, glycometer, weight scale, pill track, total care, doctor app, remote monitoring, revenue cycle management, and EHR integration. Number 5. Ozmind. Ozmind is a relatively young company aiming to advance the science of mental health. The company created a platform that makes mental health treatments easier and brings patient experience to a new level. The company can help its customers with scheduling meetings, charting, billing, reimbursement, and patient engagement improvement. Number 6. Quit Genius. Quit Genius represents itself as the first digital clinic in the world which provides medication-assisted addiction treatment. The company focuses on three main addiction areas, specifically tobacco, alcohol, and opioids. Number 7. Helium Health. Helium Health is a relatively young company with its headquarters in Laos, Nigeria. Helium Health positions itself as the number 1 health tech provider in Africa. The company's products include electronic medical records, virtual hospital visits, healthcare financing, revenue cycle management, personal health records, and public health management. Number 8. Bodyport. Bodyport is a health tech company based in San Francisco which focuses on complex chronic conditions and their treatment. A significant part of the company's attention is paid to heart health. Bodyport introduces a non-invasive biomarker platform designed to simplify heart disease management. The platform also integrates personalized patient experience and a robust clinical dashboard to provide patients and their caregivers with more insightful information about the patient's health conditions. Number 9. Care Message. Care Message is designed to help safety net organizations in helping underserved populations. The platform, created by the company, centralizes and automates communication and in this way provides personalized support. Care Message's platform has 3 global aims. Number 1. Improve patient access and communication. Number 2. Increase efficiency in the number of completed appointments. And number 3. Enhance clinical quality and reimbursements. The company reaches these goals with the help of various tools, such as workflow automation or evidence-based programs. Number 10. Pards Biosciences. Pards Biosciences is a health tech startup located in California. The startup was established in 2020 with the mission of stopping the COVID-19 crisis and preventing the next pandemics. PARDS Biosciences created a reversible covalent chemistry platform that helps discover new medicines. Thank you for